Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Embu, Minister wa Ugitiri wa Thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki augite ona gutuika Kenya ni bururi uri na wiyathi gutire hindi thirikari igwitikiria atongoria amwe mahuthire wiyathi ucio na njira iria itagiriire. Kuringana na Kindiki, mihango ya guthuthuria atongoria aria makoretwo na matanya ma kuriukia gikundi gikirire mukana kia mungiki hamwe na ikundi ingi iria icokaga guthararia thayo wa muingi ni yambikitwo.
I am coming for you the same way I have declared war on cattle rustlers and terrorists. We will not allow our country to go back where it was 20 years ago. It won't happen. And I'm going to come down very ruthlessly on anybody who is involved. It doesn't matter their rank.
Eranire gutire mundu ukunirwo ritho ni watho wona nyitikana na mahitia gutekumakania gikiro kana wira wake gukihithuka ati kuri namwe a atongoria makoretwo magicokaniriria mbeu njithi kuma icigo-ini itiganite niguo mathararie thayo.
We cannot allow our children to be the fodder of your appetite and your thirst for power or whatever else you're looking for.
Oho ni akinyiriirie ati thirikari ndiri na thina o wothe na nyumba cia ihoero iria ikoretwo ikirumirira mitaratara iria yagiriire ya kidini, indi kiria mareka ni guthuthuria ahunjia aria makoretwo magithomithia muingi mathomo mogomu kuria megukorwo making'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
Wale ambao wanalipua mabomu na mahali tumeweka wale watu ambao wanaumiza watu na kuiba ng'ombe kule Rift Valley. They are in the same group. There is no difference between Mr. Mackenzie and Osama bin Laden.
Kindiki aritie ari kanitha-ini wa ACK cia Kago kaunti-ini ya Embu akiranira uthuthuria wa ikuo cia Shakahora no urathie na mbere kuria ningi oritie atongoria a makanitha kunyitanira na thirikari niguo guteithiriria gukurana ahunjia aria mataratia watho wa kidini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.